Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 10th day of March 2026. And it was a hopping day in the charts again. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today, live. So here we go. What's the setup? We had a massive, sudden move down, which found its bottom down around here and then gave us the first strong candle indicator going in the opposite direction. Stunning signal. So we just need to wait for the retrace. We'll stick our order on the body of the candle and we will go. Now, massive PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 180 and 300 ticks long. That sounds crazy, but it is what it is. For purposes of YouTube, we can only use this ATM that keeps us under $1,000 per trade. They don't like it when we go over $1,000 per trade. So we'll keep our 20s, 50s, and 100s open, even though we should be using a larger ATM because the volatility is that big. So that's where we're going to go. And we just need to wait for this retrace to bring our order down to the body of the table, body of the candle. Then we'll go long. And here we go. This is how it went down in the room today. It was a wild day. So we need to see some red until we get picked up in the trade. We'll just do the speed of the market as it was at the time. There we go. That's a nice move down. Now we'll put our order on and we'll just wait to be picked back up. That just gives us an additional failure point. The first thing we do when we get picked up in the trade is put our stop in the proper position. Because it's so active today, we're going to have quite a bit of risk on this initially. And we should put this where it belongs, which is the last major failure point. That's a lot of risk, but we're going to de-risk this trade relatively quickly. All right, now if this comes back and takes me out at break even, now we're at a break even position. Now, if it comes back and takes me out, I'm in a positive position. And let's see if it'll go all the way to 100 without having to re-enter the trade. We can speed it up a little bit now. Boom. All right, that trade took 90 seconds to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 90 seconds, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The LTR is amazing. We have lots of fun and do really well. And also we have education that's second to none. So if you're interested in that as well, it's not that difficult. The indicators that we have, the strong candle indicator in particular, is an amazing help even for new first-time traders. So come join us, samuraidaytrading.com. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.